Alden Richard update yung sa post ng Smartage PH. Ayan ang pasilip sa dream house ni Alden. Yun o. Excited na yung mga fans ni Alden makita yung dream house ni Alden. Yun o. Ganda yan sigurado. Sabi dito Alden Richards home slowly coming to life. Yun o. The team behind this amazing home. Yun o. Ni Alden. Yan ilaw pa lang, mamaalim na oh. Yan a closer look behind the scenes ng Alden Richards. Excited na siyempre ang lahat. Bagong bahay ni Alden. Yan, pinagandaan niya ng kanyang team. Yan, may pa-site visit pa. Yan, abangan yan soon. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard in Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.